guys, so I went ahead and prepped my face, and I bought the Fenty Beauty Powder Foundation right here, and I also got the new Sephora Clean Line Lip Gloss. This is so beautiful. If you go on my IG, I did swatches. This is so beautiful. I also got the Rare Beauty Nearly Neutral collection. So I got the blush, the eyeshadow, and the gloss. The gloss is really cute too. So I'm gonna show you guys. I might do the Sephora Clean one in another video. So I'm gonna put this aside, but it is so good. Let me just give you a quick swatch on what it looks like. I got something, caramel. So I'm gonna just swatch that. Look at that. Look at the pigmentation on that. I love browns. Browns are my favorite. I'm gonna go ahead. I think I'm gonna do my eyes first. I'm gonna show you. I like nearly neutral. I could have gone deeper to that purplish shade. I forgot the name, but I'm definitely gonna pick that up later. But I really like this one too. It's like a good base. So I'm just gonna swipe that. And it's really blendable. That's why I like this too. I don't know, I really like Selena Gomez. And I wanted to definitely get something from her line. I'm definitely in the mood for blush. I really, really like blush. And it's buildable. That's what I like about this eyeshadow, is it's buildable. But of course, I'm gonna add a little more dimension to it. So I like to get like a blending brush and just let that sink in for a little bit. And I'm gonna just blend. I really love it. Hopefully this is showing you like what's going on. It's not wet or anything. It just blends, which I love so much. Look at that. It's already like blending. It's just beautiful. It's like a great base too. And it's nice if you're like, I just want to go out right quick, have lunch. It's a cute eyeshadow. It's like a nice, like, grab coffee or just hang with friends to see. Look at that. It's just such a beautiful, beautiful blend. I love it. And once I swatched this, I was like, okay, I should have gotten the deeper shade. This is so beautiful. Look at that. It blends. It's just, and when I wore this is my second time wearing it, by the way. I did swatches on my IG. I will say that this is so innocent. The look is very innocent, very youthful, very young, and I really, really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes, and I will see you guys in a minute. Hey everyone, so I darkened my eyes a little bit. I use, of course, the Huda Beauty palette. This is my favorite palette. So I added a little bit of glitter and I darkened my eyelids, half my eyelids, of course, you guys know that. I will try the new Fenty powder foundation. It is really, really, really nice. I did a shade match at Sephora, and thankfully it was my shade. If you seen my Kat Von D video, I was disappointed in the shade range they had. None of her shades fit me, and I had to make 2 trips for that, and I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Actually, let me show you. Half my face I'll apply the sponge. The sponge that so I'm just gonna, the sponge applicator is not bad, to be honest. I like to I don't swipe when I apply it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this right quick. So the sponge is like not bad, but I feel like I have to keep dabbing and dabbing. I'm looking for a little bit of medium to full coverage. That's just me. So I'm gonna do half my face with the sponge. I applied it with the sponge, and as you can see, this is with the Fenty powder and this is without. I can honestly say that I don't like this sponge because I feel like there's spots that are missing. Look at my face. It just doesn't look full, like right here. And on the other side, I'm gonna apply a brush. I'm gonna apply the other half with my brush. Okay, let's see what happens here. By the way, I changed my skincare routine. I bought a toner from Sephora. I bought a Sephora brand and one called Innisfree or Essence or something. I forgot what it was called, but my skin has gotten better from that toner. The Innisfree, I forgot what you call it, but I'll put it down below. If you guys want to know, whoever watches, it's like my skin looks like amazing every night. It locks in moisture, which I like really appreciate. Okay, I like it with a brush. I don't like it with the sponge because it's just so spotty, and I don't like spotting on my makeup. Okay, I'm going to bronze and all that, and I will apply the blush next. So I went ahead and contoured, baked, did my brows, and I'm going to now try this nearly neutral. I'm still doing this. This isn't the, there we go. Nearly neutral blush, which I'll show you right now. It is really pretty. So I'm gonna get my ring finger. It is so light. Here, let me just back up. Look at that. That's all. It is so light. I love it. It is not too much. Because I know I use Charlotte Tilbury and I mix it with MAC. Do I? Yeah. I mix it with my MAC blush. Or I get the Charlotte Tilbury and mix it with Tarte. The pink. See how beautiful and innocent that is? I love it. See, just I have big cheeks, so I like it. It's very pretty. It's very cute. It's not too much. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this. We are gonna try Nearly Neutral. I had to check. Nearly Neutral and from Rare Beauty. So it's a really nice sheer gloss. It's not like the Sephora one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. So I will finish my face and do it. Okay, everyone. So I did my makeup and I went ahead and did my lips and did my hair in a bun. I keep wearing this. This is from Old Navy, but it is so cute. I don't know if they still have it. So overall, I love all of the Nearly Neutral from Selena Gomez. All of it is super cute. I'm wearing the gloss. Like, doesn't it make sense? It's just so innocent and light and pretty. Yes to this. Yes, I really love it. It is really cute. This is nice to wear if you're going out, something quick. And the blush is like a yes. All her blushes are just gorgeous. And it's inexpensive, which is really nice. And I love it. I'm going to definitely buy more from Rare Beauty. And the Fenty powder, a yes for me, because I have been looking for a powder foundation. Let me see. I have been looking for a powder foundation, and I haven't had any luck, but you know, Fenty has like what, 30-50 shades I think, and this is a yes. If I ever have to film, I could just put this on right quick, and and put some mascara and a chapstick or whatever, and I'm good to go. I am in 370. If you want something like affordable, Rare Beauty is perfect. It's great. I really like that. I hope this video showed you how I apply it. I know there are many different ways that people apply it, but this is how I do my makeup, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you